And we're live. Hot day, hot and muggy, humid day here in Union, Kentucky, and beautiful Union. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it is here in Union. I tell you, I'm one of the luckiest guys on the planet that the residents of Union have embraced me to take care of their decks. It's a pure luck shot, let me just tell you, because this is such a wonderful place. Union is so beautiful, and the people here are so kind to me, my business, and my family. They always have been, and I really appreciate that more than anybody knows. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate that, and there's no way for me to articulate how much I appreciate it. But I love being here, and I love the people here. I think that's the only thing that's important. This deck behind us, this composite deck system, boy, it's turning out to be a beast of a challenge, let me tell you. The railing system, it doesn't look that impressive from here. I'll take you up here in a second and show you, but it has a bunch of tiny little cubby holes in it. It has a bunch of little cut-ins and little things that are hard to get to, trees that you got to move out of the way, and this and that. And I don't do this often, but we're going to tomorrow, I think we're going to tackle this from a different angle. We're going to bring the Titan 440 out here and see if we can't spray this system out to get a smoother finish, first off, and second off, get into some of those cubby holes. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Beautiful deck system, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys what we've done here so far. And then the other challenge that we have is that it keeps raining every 5 hours, you know, so but that's part of the ball game. We know that going into this. Here's the composite that we're going to be locking down here. Okay, I believe if you guys follow us, you've seen this. The challenge here really is every single little tiny cubby hole here has to be done, because I can't stand it. I'm one of these guys where if I go through here and I see one of these cubbies not done, it's not good, right? As you can see here, we've started to lock down this railing system through here. The gazebo, or I'm sorry, the pergola has been repaired. It's been coated. I think it's been coated twice. I believe it's going to get another coat. But just a few days ago, this was all rotten planks. Sorry, it's humid out here, guys. Rotten planks through here. We replaced this back board right here and this board here, and I believe that we replaced 3 or 4 of these splines and custom cut this to match. So but with the constant stopping for the rain, the ability to only push this a few hours a day here lately has compounded this into, let me show you guys this real quick. These are these dog scratches that I was telling you guys about. I don't know if you could see them now. Dog scratches in that composite. You all see that? Dogs tear up decks. You can see it down here too. You all see that? See them scratches in that composite? They look horrible in real life. Might be hard to see on camera, but we're going to come in here tomorrow, and I think we're going to break out the spray. Look at this. Good God. Look how beautiful this rail system. Look how beautiful that ledge finish with that thick build on it. Boy, that's pretty, ain't it? That's pretty, Bo. Yeah. Thick build is the only way to go. Let me tell you guys that. It finishes so beautiful. Look at this ledger board down here. Y'all see this? Beautiful, luxurious, thick build. Boy, when this is done, it's going to be super, super pretty. Repair here. We came in and repaired this section up underneath. Anyways, I get off task. What I'm trying to tell you guys is we're coming in to spray out this rail system. Look how hot, and look at this. That's a pine needle. That ain't a booger. Actually, it was a piece of paint. We're coming in to spray this out because it's just, we're not making the progress that we need to make on it in the time frame that we need to make on it for it to be low intrusion, number one, on the customer. And with the rain every other day, it really is compounding things. So I'm going to move this forward. I'm gonna bring in a bunch of white Kong armor here tomorrow, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and fire up the Titan 440 and get this sprayed out and get this ball game over with so that we can start locking down this deck floor. Look, you guys can see why we had to stop. This is every day during this project. Every day we've had to stop because of this incoming rain, and that really starts to it really starts to take a toll on the customer, because what it does is it creates a situation where you got people in the customer's backyard for days on end, and it's high intrusion, and that's not what you want. You want to be able to get in, deliver a quality product, and get out without interfering with their life or the things that they have going on, right? And that's my job, is to make sure that that happens regardless of anything else. So tomorrow, Titan 440 time, we're going to get this done. I'm going to show you guys this rail system when it's done. Beautiful deck, this composite lockdown. You guys just wait till it's finished. It's going to be gorgeous. There's always challenges in this. I try to tell people that this never goes smoothly. What's important when you hire somebody to do a project like this, to restore and coat a deck, what's important, and I'm not the only guy on the planet, there's other fish out there. What's important is that you hire somebody that has the ability to come in and actually complete it and not intrude on your life, because the intrusion is a big thing. And that's what I'm getting ready to fast forward here, okay? I have a little bit of experience with that, and I understand that it's not a good thing. So go to kongarmor.com, get a free quote, sign up. It's really, really super simple. My schedule fills out really, really quickly, okay? Super quickly. So if you guys, on the day that you guys are seeking a quote, if my schedule is filled out, go back to the main scheduling page and go to the very top, and you can click and switch to Greg, switch to my dad. He'll come out, take pictures of your deck, talk to you about the problems and the things going on, and then he'll go over it with me that evening, and I'll get you a quote. We'll get you set up, okay? See y'all later.